Alrighty, we're here at the other elevator here at
Roanoke
the
Avenue.
elevator here at the Market Parking Garage here in Roanoke.
Park Roanoke.
How do you things? Lock your vehicle, take your keys. Sponsored by Park Roanoke, the best place to park your car in Roanoke.
Park Roanoke has been interesting. It'd be nice if they gave me free parking in all the garages because all the publicity I give them.
That would be nice.
This is high secure. ASA locks, these are hard to pick. That's a very high security
Really?
lock. I would probably not be able
It
to.
probably parked at the top, so I gotta wait for this thing.
It's here now.
Shoes.
This one actually has a better motor, though I doubt we'll hear it. This one has an interesting view, and Jason has not left his mark here. Let's see if it's low on oil today. Takes a while to level. Not low in oil though.
Nope. I'm sorry, but it's not low in oil.
They're actually maintaining it. Let's see if the bell works. It'll probably light up. Barely hear it.
Let's see how this floating gear does.
Freeze burn. Lobby works.
That was interesting. Someone just having a farting day.
This thing always makes interesting noises, but it's, like I said, it's so smooth when it's going down.
There goes the elevator. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.